What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Alright everybody, today I'm going to show you how I installed my Humminbird Helix 7 on my Nucanoe Flint. So this past winter I got the Humminbird Helix 7, the all-season package. So when I went to go put it on the kayak, I realized that I didn't have a specific spot on my kayak for the transducer. I heard from some of my friends that I really shouldn't be using the suction cup like stick-on deal that came with the fish finder, and that I should actually try and find a better way to mount everything. And so this is the solution I came up with, and today I'm going to show you how I put it together. Let's do this. We took our Humminbird fish finder back home. We got it mounted on the Yakattack mount. So let's take a look at that first. Alright, so we got that all set up. Now we're going to take the dashboard that's going to be going at the front of the kayak. We're going to set this up. We have the cell block from Yakattack. We're going to put that together. And the switchblade transducer mount. With those three things and the fish finder, we're going to be able to now locate fish, mark the bottom, and put together some awesome maps. So without any further ado, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna set all this stuff up and get it all ready to go so that we can go out to the pond, slap it on the kayak, and give it our first test run. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your kayak with a Humminbird fish finder. I have a Nucanoe Flint, but most of the products that we're going to be using today can go on just about any kayak. If your kayak does not have a track system, you can actually purchase tracks from Yakattack and put them on your kayak so that you can do something just like this.
pumped. This looks great. I did a couple things here that we can talk about. I'm gonna jump on the water, turn this thing on for the first time. We'll talk about it a little bit and sign out. But damn, we're pumped. All right, folks, we're out on the water, and let me tell you something. We probably came to the worst pond possible to be testing out these electronics. I didn't know that because I've only been here once, and it was not like this. I'm now absolutely surrounded by this. I'm in the middle of the pond. Just surrounded. And yeah, my chart's reading 1.9, but hey, it's on.
Real quick, I want to say that setting this thing up was way more difficult than I assumed. I had to put things in different spots, and it wasn't the setup I thought it was going to be when I got it, but it's still just absolutely incredible. It just took longer to put together, I guess, than I had really imagined. So we get the Humminbird. It's on the Yakattack mount. It's going in one of these circle hooks here. So that's that, the Yakattack mount there. Then we have transducer arm here that goes down into the muck. That's showing 1.9 feet. The cool thing about this is that I can swing it up onto the boat just like that and get that thing up out of the water. Obviously now that's reading 0. Then we put the battery box, which is right here. Put that battery box there, and we screwed that in here and here. Now, I thought this was going to be up under here more, but because of this Yakattack mount, I couldn't get this all the way under there like I expected to. But that's cool. It actually ended up being a great platform. We grabbed a battery pack to power our second camera here and our phone when we need it. That's also on a RAM mount. This is one of my favorite parts. I put Velcro on the bottom of this thing so I could take it inside and charge it. And then here, so that can go right back on the dashboard. So now we got this baby all set up, and now we should actually take it to a place where we can actually use it to catch fish, or at least mark some depth, because this place is all like 2 foot. But that gives us a ton of opportunity to throw the frog tonight, which we all know I love. And because I was here a little while ago, I know there's a ton of healthy bass in here. And I think it's shore fished a lot. So I'm gonna spend some time out here in the middle of nowhere throwing this frog around for a bit and see if I can get hit. But that concludes this episode of Fishing Grubs. This is how we set this baby up. So we set every piece up individually and then put them all together on this thing, and it was, you know, kind of a pain in the butt, but now that it's on the kayak, it looks fucking awesome. And it can come on and off very, very easily, which is something I really enjoy, because I'm never gonna leave this on the kayak when I'm traveling. This thing's gonna go right in the car every time. And then in the house, because this is a lot of stuff that shouldn't just be sitting in the car. Anyways, thanks for tuning into another episode of Fishing Grubs. If you had a good time, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have some cool stuff coming out here once we get used to this Humminbird, how to set it up on the kayak and all that jargon. Thanks for tuning in. Fish out!